there were a lot of things that typically people start to automate around what a human was doing. So one example is, you're doing like let's say you're trying to do a fraud check on a customer. And typically the way it works is you already ran a few checks beforehand on like the application to understand, okay, is this customer connected to the user, that this company connected to the user that's applying, or do we have an ID validation for this customer? But the reality is when you're running these things through an LLM instead, you can actually run a lot of these things in parallel and change the sequencing in which these things happen. So one of the things that we started doing is saying, what if we start to KYC customers and doing all these steps sequentially? And then you take that a step further, and what you start doing is you actually start to KYC your leads, not even just your customers. So then the places that you go spend time are much more the high quality accounts, well, from a sales team perspective and marketing perspective, instead of every single person that applies.